Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing my current blush loves, but these are blushes that I think would be perfect for the spring and summer months, which is where we're at and going into right now. So I figured this would be the perfect timing just to share blush colors, blush products, blush consistencies that I just love and that I feel will go perfectly for this time of the year. So it's gonna be a fun one. Before we get started, as usual, please give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, join the family. Please make sure that you're subscribed and not missing out on 3 videos a week. But if you want to see my blush product loves for the spring and summer, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, we can just jump right into this. I'm really excited because you guys know by now how much I love my peaches and my corally blushes. So I feel like this is my time to shine a little bit. Like I love like the bright pinky corally peachy blush colors that just go perfectly in the warmer months, and I love them year round. So this time of year is especially when I get to scream from the rooftops the products that I love. Some of these are a little bit more on the neutral side, but most are peachy corals, just to preface. But all very, very good products, especially for this time of year. All very long lasting, all just stunning results, but obviously we'll get into that more once I share the products. So I have 6 products in here that I'm going to talk about. I have 3 powders, 2 liquids, and then 1 cream to powder. So we have a little bit of a variety depending on what you're looking for. And I'm just not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to grab one by one and let you know why I think it's worth it and why I love it. And then maybe I'll do some swatches, but just so that you're prepared. This is not a swatch. I burnt myself the other day, so that's a burn. So just ignore that on my hand. But anyways, first up, you guys probably already could have guessed it if you have been watching my channel for a while. This is the YSL Make Me Blush in the shade 93. So it's this beautiful pinky peachy blush with a little bit of like a goldish shimmer to it. It is the most creamy, velvety, like beautiful powder blush, and it gives your cheeks the most beautiful flush of color. It's so vibrant, it's so pretty. Like just look at this swatch. I don't know how well you guys can see from the lighting, but it is perfect for like the spring summer months. I feel like this will go so beautifully with a tan if you're out in the sun. Now that the beaches and the pools are opening up, this color with a tan is going to pop. It's going to look gorgeous, even without a tan, honestly, but with a tan in the summer, oh my goodness. This lasts all day long. It does not move. It gives you that perfect blend of like a blush and highlighter, so you don't need to do both. And it's just the perfect amount of everything. Like it's not too much, it's not like crazy clown makeup, but it's not too subtle where you can't see anything. It's that perfect in between, and it's so pretty every single time. I cannot recommend enough. This is a pricey one. I'll link all the prices in the description box because I can't remember off the top of my head. I want to say this is around 45 bucks. So I know it is pricey, but this is one with a hefty price tag that I really do think is worth it. So highly, highly recommend. Next up is from Rare Beauty. You know I had to mention Rare Beauty in this. They do blushes so well, you guys. So this is the powder blush in the shade Joy. I also would recommend the shade Cheer, but this one just gives me like corally, like golden hour, like sunset kind of vibes, and it's just so pretty. I wish that you guys could feel this one through the screen. Like every time I touch this, I literally feel like my fingers like gliding through like air. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just so good. It's a very different color than the YSL one, if you can see the difference, but it is gorgeous, you guys. Again, with a tan, this is just going to pop. It's going to make your makeup stand out. You are going to look insane in the best way. Again, without a tan, it'll do the same, but with a tan, it's really going to pop. It's so soft, it's so smooth, it blends like a dream. And this one also has that kind of highlightery effect to it too. Like it has a glow to it, so you don't necessarily need to add a highlighter on top. This gets the job done for blush and highlighter. and it's so beautiful every time. Every time I wear this, people comment on my blush, so I really, really recommend. Wears all day long without moving. It is just perfect. The price on this one is lower than the YSL, of course, but again, I'll link them all in the description box. Next is the Say Super Suede Radiant Blush Powder in the shade Mia. This one is a little bit more of my neutral color choice. This is probably as pink as it gets in my lineup today. I had to do at least one that's a little bit more on the neutral side and not so warm toned, because I love my warm tones. But this one I just had to mention because it is gorgeous, you guys. I just did a review / comparison of this one with another blush not too long ago. Make sure to check that video out. But this is such a beautiful neutral blush, but it gives you this, like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like this like glow from within kind of effect. It's so hard to even explain. Here's the swatch of this one. I don't know how well you can see it, but it has this, like, it's not a shimmer, it's not a glitter, it's not anything like that. It's literally just a glow. Like, it looks like your skin is naturally just glowing. Like, you take care of your skin, you do your skincare morning, afternoon, and night, and your skin is just perfect. That's what this gives your cheeks. It's so gorgeous. It feels amazing. It lasts all day long. And this is just that nice neutral color shade. Like I said, if you like warm tones or if you like cooler tones, this is kind of right in the middle, and it is so beautiful every single time. My makeup looks flawless every time I wear this, so I highly recommend, especially for the summer months. I feel like this is gonna look so pretty with so many different makeup looks, day or night. Next up is another Rare Beauty favorite. This is the Matte Bouncy Blush in the shade Worth. This one is also a little bit more on the neutral-ish side, I would say, but it has a little warmth to it. So this one is going to be perfect for day or night. I'm actually wearing it right now with nothing else on top. I love this because it's a cream to powder. So if you do this, you don't necessarily need to do a powder on top. You can literally put this right on top of cream liquid products, or you can put it on top of your powder products, like after you've set your face, after you've done your powder bronzer, whatever else, and it looks so gorgeous either way, you guys. It layers beautifully. Like, you can build this up to exactly the amount of pigment and everything that you want, and it looks so perfect every single time, and it literally feels like butter when you dip your fingers into this. It's a cream, like, it's literally a cream when you're touching it, but it dries down as a powder. So let me show you a swatch. But this is also another one that just makes me think of like summer sunsets, like a night out, like a nice like summer dinner. It just, that's what I picture when I see this. It's so pretty. Cannot recommend this enough, and it's such a versatile product. Like, again, you could do it any way you want and it looks good. Last two products are my liquids. So the first one is the Dior Forever Glow Maximizer, and this is in the shade Peachy, of course. That describes my summer mood to a T. I'm gonna do a little swatch of this for you guys as well. This is not a little swatch, it's actually a very big swatch, but just so you can get a good look of it. I don't know how well you guys can see that. This is the most stunning, subtle, peachy blush / highlighter. That's the best way that I would describe it. I think this pairs equally as like a blush and a highlighter because it does both in the same amount to me. It's a very, not subtle, but it is kind of a subtle blush. Like, it's not going to give you a very vibrant cheek. It's very like, it's going to give you that like hint of like a flushed peachy look to your cheeks, but in equal parts it gives you that perfect like glowy kind of highlight, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like this is so perfect for like a day out in the summer where like you only want to do like your glowy products, you don't want to be matted down. This is the perfect product to just tie the whole look together and give you that glow wherever you want. Or you can do this on a night out and it's going to give you that like perfected, like glassy skin kind of look. Wears all day long. It looks so beautiful with so many different makeup products, blends so beautifully, and I'm just obsessed. Like, a little goes such a long way with this, as you can see. It's just stunning, so I cannot recommend enough. And then last but not least is like one of my all-time favorites for year-round, but especially in the spring, summer. This is the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush in Orgasm. Anything in that color, honestly. Whatever consistency you choose from NARS looks insane. But this is hands down one of my most used products of all time, and for good reason. Like, I'll give you guys this swatch really quick. Right next to that Dior one. Here it is. As you can see, it's definitely more like vibrant and pinky peach than Peachy is. Like, Peachy is more of like a toned down version of that. The NARS one, oh my god, you guys, it literally makes your cheeks look like you're like blushing in the best, like most subtle but beautiful way. It has that signature NARS Orgasm like look to it, and that's just like one that I have such a hard time describing because it looks so perfect. It's the perfect cross between a pink and a peach, and it has a little bit of that like gold glimmer to it, and it just ties everything together so beautifully. It looks so good in the day if you're going super casual or you want just like a hint of something, or it pairs so beautifully if you're doing full glam. You cannot go wrong with this product no matter how you use it. It looks so perfect every single time, and almost every time I've looked at like a video of myself or a picture of myself and I'm like, what blush was I wearing there? So many times it has been this one because it's just so pretty. So I cannot recommend it enough. But that is it, you guys. That's all 6 of my blush products that I highly recommend for the spring summer months this year. You can't go wrong any way you go. Whichever one you choose, they are all so beautiful. So I just wanted to make sure that I had a little bit of a variety for every kind of person, or whatever you guys are looking for, whatever colors you're looking for, finishes, all that fun stuff. So that's all I have, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about my choices. Let me know if there's another product you want me to try, or just whatever else you want to see. Just give me some thoughts in the comments below. Give this a huge thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.